In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift wrap to Amazon. If you're sending a present and want it to arrive looking polished, Amazon's built-in gift options make it easy. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on the screen, and share a few quick tips so you don't miss anything important. Start by opening your browser and heading to www.amazon.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The wording is the same, though the buttons may appear in slightly different places. Make sure you're signed in and that the item you want to send is eligible to ship to your recipient. Next, go to Checkout. This is the page you see after you've reviewed your cart and clicked to proceed. If you have multiple items in your order, you'll see them listed here with delivery and payment details on the side. The gift settings are configured per item, so keep an eye on the product you want to wrap. Look for the option labeled Add Gift Options. It typically appears beneath each item's title or within a small link that says something like Add Gift Options or This is a gift. Click that, and a panel will open to show the available choices for that specific product. Inside that panel, select Add-ons. This is where Amazon groups the extras you can include with your order. You'll usually find options such as adding a personalized gift message, including a gift receipt that hides prices, and the feature we're focusing on today, wrapping in a gift bag. Check the box that says Wrap in a gift bag. Amazon will display the additional cost, and you might see a short note that bag styles vary by availability. If you're ordering more than one item, you can repeat this selection for each product you want wrapped. This is especially helpful if you're sending a mixed order and only certain things need gift treatment. When you're happy with your choices, click Save Gift Options. You should be returned to the checkout page with a clear summary under the item showing that gift options are applied. Take a moment to confirm the details: the gift bag selection, any message you added, and whether a gift receipt is included. A couple of quick tips before you finalize your order. If you don't see gift options, it usually means that specific item or seller doesn't offer gift services. You can still add a free gift message when available, and a gift receipt will hide prices for the recipient. Also, double-check the shipping address and delivery date to ensure your gift arrives when you need it. And that's it. Your item is set to arrive neatly wrapped and ready to gift.